Man, damn that girl fat. You fat, 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 you fat. You obese, 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 you obese, 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 you obese, 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 you obese, obese. Girl, you know you fat when your ankle swole. Girl, you know you fat when you got 2 chins. Girl, you know you fat when you smell food and your stomach growl. Oh Lord, you finna run a home and think you are turkey sandwich with legs and ribs. Hot sausage on the side with a big ass pie with a some Kool-Aid on the side. Girl, you know you fat when you got 4 S's on your shirt tag. You need to slow your roll and hit that track. You know nobody can't hit your ass from the back. Between your legs, that shit is black. You got booty do, that is a fact. Girl, slow your roll, stop eating out on Twinkies. Slow them roll, don't touch no fucking baby cake. Put that nutty butter down and then eat a Kool-Aid sandwich. You hear me? What the fuck is Kool-Aid? But you is obese, you is very fat. 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 You fat, 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 you fat.
You need to hit the track and lose a couple of pounds. Get up on the slim fast, man, you moving some round. Yeah, you need them losing pounds from up under your chin. You got 3 or 4 chins right up under your chin. You got 4 or 5 rolls on your side, big girl. I can chop a pro chop right up under your arm. I don't give a fuck, girl, you really look like a turkey leg.
Boy, you know you want me. I don't want your big ass.
Take your ass to McDonald's, bitch. Eat some grass. You ain't getting shit off the fucking dollar menu, bitch. You ain't finna go Mickey D's, what the fuck? You must be sick. Man, you just too hungry. Boo, feed me some food, bitch. I ain't hungry. Yeah, eat your ass some grass. Get up on the slim fast.
You fat, 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 you obese, 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 you obese, 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 you obese, you obese, obese, you obese, you obese, you obese, obese, you obese.
Yeah, you know you need to lose some goddamn weight. You got too much stomach, got booty do, ass. Look, you want to eat too much turkey fried chicken. Goddamn girl, you need to go up in the kitchen, eat some more food, but lose that goddamn weight. Goddamn thing, weigh 300 pounds and while they hit that pussy, pussy can't eat it. Smell.
Boy, you know you want me. Boy, I'm very sexy. Man, get your fat ass in and hit a treadmill. I know you on the meal. I'm talking about a treadmill. None no turkey, ham, gravy, sandwich meal. Need to come your hair and hit a track. You know how to do it. We rapping on this track. Girl, you got turkey on your fat back, fat ass head ass bitch. Go and do some weight trick. You fat, 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 you fat.
I'm still eating my goddamn food.
And you, and you, and you.
I'm hungry.
Put it down, put it down. Put that turkey sandwich down. Put it down, put it down. Put that turkey sandwich down.
But I'm hungry.
Put it down. Put that turkey sandwich down. Put that turkey sandwich down. Put that turkey sandwich down. Y'all ain't no goddamn food, man.
But I'm hungry.
That's what fat people get.
But I'm hungry.
You hit a fat on that bitch though. Swole that ankle.